Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to swap coins on the Trust Wallet. So if you want to swap coins on the Trust Wallet, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, or do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Trust Wallet and here you will see tabs. Once you will do it, on the right top you have to enter or search for the pancakeswap.finance and make sure you are enter the right web address. So once you will do it, on the right top you have to select the smart chain. Once you will do it, you will see exchange. So simply you have to select a currency and the other currency you want to convert it. So let's suppose if you have BNB and you want to convert into the BUSD, simply you have to select BNB right here, then enter the amount, and right here you have to search for the BUSD or any other coin in which you want to swap. So once you will do it, here you have to click on this button where you can see enter an amount. So simply you can swap from here. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.